can't wait to swim in the pool.
It's the weekend, Mac. We have to be patient.
Well, guys, we deserve a little credit for creating the projector system for this water sports center.
Hi, BOOMi.
Oh, hey. Hi, Director.
Hello, Director.
Welcome, my friends. The virtual pool display that you made is a big hit. Thank you.
Oh, yeah! That's awesome. Thanks for letting us make it.
Actually, I should thank you. With the new projector system, our center is doing very well. We have 10 times more customers now.
What's happening?
Someone's falling!
Megabug is here for a little swim.
BOOMi, I'm hacking into your system now.
Wait, what are you trying to do?
Are you in charge here? Then come with me. This center will soon be mine.
He's taken him to the virtual world.
We must get him back and stop Megabug.
Yes!
Star HQ, status report.
Megabug has entered the Water Sports Center's computer system. He has changed the tutorial videos you programmed and trapped the director in the virtual world. He's keeping the center all to himself.
What should we do?
You need to compete in various competitions. Collect all the gold coins in order to pass the test. After you pass the test, and reboot the Water Center system. Then you will get Star Energy to remove Megabug. Star rewards will appear when you pass the first 2 stages.
Let's go. Wait. Open Star Gateway. Create infinite possibilities. Cool. Super BOOMi. Super Bibop!
BOOMi!
Look, the director's over there.
Director, we're coming to save you!
As long as I'm here, you can forget about saving him.
You, green monster! Do you think this pool can stop me?
Oh no, watch out!
A crocodile!
Stay where you are and behave. Well, BOOMi, are you ready? The competition is about to begin.
Hey, don't leave!
Director, don't worry.
After we win the competition, we'll remove Megabug and get you out of there.
Okay, BOOMi, I trust you.
I'm ready for the challenge.
Yes.
Welcome to the Virtual Water Sports Center. The first competition is diving. The team that collects the most gold coins wins this round.
Hey, BOOMi! We meet again!
Remember, kids, don't cry when you lose today.
Captain Hippo, I'll show you who's the best diver.
Hey, step aside. Let me dive first. Bring it on, BOOMi. His swimsuit is so adorable.
Dudley, you can't swim, can you?
Well, I'm not an ordinary duck, you know. I'm a genius hacker. I don't have time to learn swimming. Stop laughing. Let's get on with it.
I'm a bit scared.
It's fine. I'll go first. My dancing skills will help me in diving.
Go for it, Mia.
1, 2, jump! Yay! Perfect!
My neck gives me a big advantage.
I'm Captain Hippo. You're no match for me!
Ah, I'm finally dry now.
Here I go! Super BOOMi!
Great job, BOOMi! Good luck, Mac!
No way! It's too high!
Get ready to lose. Watch me! Oh no! Help! Someone save me!
Mac, believe in yourself. You can do this.
Take a deep breath and go for it!
I can do it!
Whoa! Wow, Mac, your dive was amazing.
I made the jump!
Congratulations to Team BOOMi for their win. The next challenge is an obstacle course. First team to collect all the gold coins and reach the floating turntable wins.
Hey, Captain Hippo, why didn't you stop them?
Huh? But boss, I tried my best!
Huh. Megabug Lightning Strike! Captain Hippo, don't disappoint me again!
Don't worry, boss.
We'll surely win this time.
This is much easier than swimming.
Quick! Wait! Everyone, watch out! Mac, slow down!
What? There's a huge gap!
What should we do now?
BOOMi, do you have a plan?
That's right, Bibop. Thank you for the reminder. I have an idea now. Watch me. Just jump like that.
Wow! We can jump over the gap! BOOMi, you're a genius! Mac, don't worry! You can do it!
Yay! I made it across!
Let's go.
What? Ouch! Be gentle, it hurts!
Sports is really not my thing.
The floating turntable!
Congratulations to Team Captain Hippo for winning this challenge. Now comes the final round. First team to collect the gold coins and cross the finish line wins.
Yeah, we're in the lead!
Hey, where are BOOMi and his friends? Look, it's the Star Awards!
Let's jump and get it together.
Okay! Star Awards, power me up!
Follow me.
Captain, they're over there!
Get them!
I'm so tired I quit.
Stop right there! Have a taste of my cannon!
Mac.
See you at the finish line!
Oh, I'm so sorry, BOOMi.
Wait, it's okay, Mac. We have a chance if we run in the opposite direction. Yay, we were able to stop them!
That's awesome! Yahoo!
Yahoo!
The final winner of the competition is Team BOOMi.
Wow!
Super!
did this happen?
Mega Bum, return the director to us. Star Energy, remove the bug.
No! I wanted to play here some more!
Director, we cleaned out all the viruses.
BOOMi, you're so awesome! Thank you, my friends. You've saved the Water Sports Center.
You're welcome. I hope everyone enjoys the center again.
Yes! Are you ready to enjoy the pool? Let's go in and get some exercise!
Get ready, Mac. Let's make a big splash.